Hey, what is going on? This is Super Simple Fixes, and today we are going to be doing a product review on a weighted blanket by Waowoo. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so like I said, we are doing a review on the weighted blanket by Waowoo, and this thing here is actually a 15-pound weighted blanket, 60 by 80, queen size. It says it's got glass beads, and I mean, you could kind of feel it. They're really, really small. Um, the blanket itself, actually, let me show you the cover. So what you're looking at right now, this is the cover, and this you just open it up with the zipper here, and this is the actual blanket. So it's gray, and it doesn't feel very heavy. Like right now, as you see, it looks kind of light, but when you hold the entire thing together, you know that thing weighs 15 pounds. So what they talk about as far as like how heavy of a weighted blanket should be is like 10% of your body weight. I'm 165 pounds. This is a 15-pound blanket, so it's almost correct. So why would you even want a weighted blanket? Check out do a little research and see what they talk about as far as weighted blankets. A lot of people actually sleep better, sleep deeper. Um, and actually that turned out to be the case for me. I decided to spend $40 on this blanket just to give it a shot, because a lot of times I'll wake up and things are, running through my head, and I'm writing things down just to get it out of my head. So the blanket itself is $40. This cover right here is $30. It feels like velour, so it's super silky kind of feeling. But yeah, like I said, you can definitely feel the weight on this thing. One thing you need to make sure of is whoever you put the blanket on, you need to make sure that they can get out from under it by themselves without assistance, right? So don't throw a 15-pound blanket on a baby. Uh, they're probably not going to get out from under it by themselves. But other than that, this thing here, I really like it. I sleep super deep. You might need to turn down the air conditioner, make sure the room is nice and cool, because this one does warm you up a bit. So, you know, uh, definitely good for colder climates, and feels great. I sleep super deep. What else? Oh yeah, washing this thing. Washing it is really simple. You just throw it in the washing machine, and probably by itself. Let's see here. Machine wash or hand wash cold. Do not iron. All that good stuff. You're gonna have to take the blanket out of the cover to do that, but I really like it, and I think the only thing that I have a serious issue with is probably because I live in Florida, and the heat is a little tough. So you just have to make sure that the AC is down, or you have a fan on, or something like that. Other than that, I think it's a great buy for the price. So, like I said, $40 for the blanket, $30 for the cover. You have other blankets out there that cost like $100 for the blanket itself. So I think this one is a great value buy. So any questions, make sure you go ahead and post it down below. Other than that, you guys have yourselves a great day.